Hi friends, in this video we will be checking Polycab multi-plug adapter and its internal circuit. It does not have surge protector. It has 6 months warranty. We can connect 4 devices to this adapter, 2 3-pin devices and 2 double-pin devices. Let me open this adapter. So this is the internal circuit of this adapter. You can see they are using wires to complete the circuit. So here you can see one resistor and one LED light. The quality of this wire is average. As I mentioned, there is no surge protector inside. So we can connect only low load devices like mobile charger, laptop and TV to this device. Please don't connect heavy load devices. See, this way we can connect 4 devices or appliances to this multi-plug adapter.